In this video, I'm going to go over this Viozon ergonomics floor stand that holds like a tablet, cell phone, or anything like that that you want to like have on an adjustable floor stand. And just going over the box here, you see it's got firm support, 360-degree rotation, no wobbling, and 90 degrees continuous hovering. You know what? We always like something that hovers. And I've already taken it out and kind of looked over it here. Looks pretty simple to install. You pretty much just run that one little bolt right there. They give you an Allen key to screw it down, a little set of instructions, and you can see how the instructions goes through the bottom. It's got a bending in the middle that gives you a rotation, and it looks like when it's fully extended, this thing runs at 1530 millimeters as far as overall length, and it can accept a tablet and a cell phone. You know what? Enough talking here. Let's go ahead. Let's put this thing together. Let's see what it does, because it looks like it's pretty simple. One bolt. I see a little ridge in there, so we're just going to run it along that. Get it hand started right there. One Allen key. Get it nice and tight. Oh, look at that. They give you a little cutout for your key right here. Look at that. There you go. So the Allen key fits on the bottom of it. Let's take a look at this thing. We don't need the box anymore. Right away, this thing is heavy and it's like stuck down to this mat. That is awesome how like sturdy that is. Let me move this up so you can get a better look at it. So right here, you can see the stretch mechanism of it there. So let's go ahead, let's try the cell phone in it. Holds the phone, no problem. It can go vertical or horizontal. You can see it can go completely 360 degrees like that. Now it's going to extend out. Let me put it down on the floor. Actually, let's go ahead and try the tablet. Stick that in there. There you go. Restart, no. Well, we got the tablet in there. Look how nicely it can hold this tablet. So if I was going to like do like a presentation or something and I needed this, I could set it right here, have it all set up, and easily use this right here. And I could rotate it back to the vertical mode. So that way I could do anything vertical and then I could go back to horizontal. Pretty simple. Very nice on that. Let me set it down on the floor here. We're going to adjust it all the way up just like that. And you want to make sure that the weight is facing you like that. So you see how it's set up like that, pulls down, and then this is adjustable just like that. Once again, you can turn it vertical or horizontal. I'm impressed with this thing. Let me take this tablet out and put the phone in there. Holds like nothing. I can see how you can spin it all the way around, go straight up vertical with it. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just looking for a good phone stand that you can pretty much mount a tablet, a cell phone, and have all kinds of different angles. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Viozon phone stand, tablet stand. See y'all in the next video.